Hello! So what you want to do first is remove the tender body, take the NEM coupling off, and underneath that is a small screw. So you take the screw out and the body just clips off. Easy. As you can see, I've drilled around the coal about 2mm in from the edge of the tender, just in case. I've also used a very slow speed. And when the drilling's finished, I just use a Stanley knife to cut the bits in between the holes, very carefully. And what I did then was just file it down with a half round file, but I didn't go all the way to the edge. I left about 1mm. What you want to do next is cut some cord to full length of the tender, as that gives you like a bigger gluing area. On the video it's not all painted, but I finished up painting it right up to the edge of the cardboard because you could see some white bits. All you have to do then is glue it in. I use some all-purpose adhesive and just glue the coal on top of the cardboard. There we are, finished. I think it looks better now than it did. It looked a bit toy-like before.